Is it the right time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? Welcome back. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into SOXL. We previously published a report on our website, but now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any significant updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has identified SOXL as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 2.73. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this time frame. Unfortunately, the stock hasn't met expectations, experiencing a loss of 0.71% so far. This means an average daily loss of 0.35% since it was identified as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term. This could be a great opportunity for short-term traders to sell, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a breakup at the top trend line at $19.05. If that happens, it may indicate a slower falling rate and could be the first sign of a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, we anticipate a potential minus 27.51% change over the next 3 months. This means there is a possibility of a return between minus 44.53% and minus 24.33%. Now, considering the 12-month trend, we expect a 55.06% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between 25.36% and 168.32%. In other words, the price range could be anywhere from $22.88 to $48.97 after a year. In our latest update for the SOXL ETF, we have some important news. It was a red day on Monday as the ETF experienced a loss of 0.707%. The price of the SOXL ETF dropped from $18.38 to $18.25 on Monday, November 6, 2023. Throughout the trading day, the ETF had a fluctuation of 5.13%, with the lowest point at $17.73 and the highest at $18.64. Looking at the past 10 days, the price has increased in 6 of them and has shown a growth of 11.35% over the last 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased along with the ETF, which is actually a positive sign as volume usually follows the ETF's movement. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 35 million shares on the last day, with a total of 52 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $947.40 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $28.75, while the lowest was $8.74. Currently, the price is 36.52%, or $10.50, below its 52-week high and 95.18%, or $359.99, below its all-time high on November 26, 2020, when it reached $378.24. Let's take a look at the signals for SOXL, an ETF worth considering. The SOXL ETF shows positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a promising forecast for the stock. However, it's important to note that there is a general sell signal due to the relation between these two signals. The long-term average is currently above the short-term average. In case of a downward correction, there is support from the lines at $16.32 and $17.88. If the stock falls below these levels, it will trigger sell signals. On Monday, October 30, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 25.6%. This indicates a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. However, there have also been some negative signals that may impact the short-term development. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It's worth noting that the volume fell along with the price during the last trading day. This reduces the overall risk, as volume should generally follow the price movements. Let's explore some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence-divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger Bands gave a buy signal 119 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 63 days ago. Now, if we take a look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following. The short moving average gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 39 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 35 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for SOXL. SOXL has found support from accumulated volume at $17.43. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is tested. However, it's important to note that this ETF can experience high volatility throughout the day. In fact, it is considered to be very high risk due to its large prediction interval according to the Bollinger Band. Over the past day, the ETF had a price range of 91 cents, which is equivalent to a 5.13% fluctuation. Looking at the past week, the average daily volatility was 6.64%. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $18.64. If you're considering entering a position and don't own any shares yet, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached. On the other hand, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $17.43. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. We recommend setting the stop loss at $17.50, which is a decrease of 4.1%. This ETF is known for its significant daily movements, which also carries a higher level of risk. However, we have detected a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 5 days ago. Is the SOXL ETF a good buy? Despite the ETF being in a falling trend, there are several positive short-term signals indicating a potential buying opportunity. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For Tuesday, November 7th, we anticipate SOXL to open down $0.0433 and begin trading at $18.21. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, it's advisable to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It's crucial not to rely solely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view on this stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to leave a comment below. What's your target for the ETF? Like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest trading insights. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.